It's 4 o'clock, you open the fridge, you stand there in that cold little draft, and you have no idea what's for dinner. Again. You close it, a minute later you open it again, like something new might have shown up. It didn't. And it's not just tonight. It's the same 5 meals you always make. The ones everybody's a little tired of. It's knowing that even if you figure out tonight, you'll be right back at the store on Wednesday because you forgot half of what you needed. That tired, what's for dinner feeling. I know it well. I want to take that off your plate today. By the end of this video, you'll be able to get a whole week of simple dinners, plus one grocery list for all of them in about 2 minutes. From one thing you type. I'll show you exactly what to say, word for word. It's a lot easier than it sounds, I promise. Quick hello if you're new here. I'm Brandon, and this is Finally Get AI, where we make this stuff make sense in plain English. No jargon, no dumb questions ever. Okay, let's get into it. And to make this dead simple, I made you a free 1-page printable called the One Prompt Meal Plan. It's the exact words to type with blanks for your family size and the foods you'd rather skip, plus a few follow-up lines to swap a meal or even build the grocery list. The link below will email it directly to you for free. Go grab it, stick it on the fridge, and follow along. Alright, so here's the whole thing. You're going to type one plain message to an AI, and it's going to hand you a week of dinners and a shopping list. That's it. Just one message. First, where do you type it? You open an AI chatbot. That's just a website or an app like ChatGPT, where you type a message and it types back. Think of it like texting a friend who happens to be a really patient cook and never runs out of ideas. You don't need fancy words, you simply tell it what you want. So here's what I type exactly. Plan 7 simple dinners for a family of 4 for this week. We don't like fish and one of us can't eat nuts. Keep them quick and easy, nothing fancy. Then give me one grocery list with everything I need for all 7, grouped by area of the store. That's the whole prompt. Let me walk you through why it works, because once you see the pattern, you can change any piece of it. I told it how many dinners I want, which was 7. I told it who I'm feeding, a family of 4. I told it what to skip, no fish, no nuts. And I told it the feeling I'm after, simple and quick, nothing fancy. I even asked for the one thing that saves the whole week. One single grocery list, grouped by area of the store, so I'm not running back and forth. Now I hit send, and in a few seconds, there it is. Monday through Sunday, 7 real dinners. The kind you'd actually make, and underneath one tidy grocery list, with the produce together, the dairy together, the canned things together. No fish anywhere, no nuts, the staring into the fridge problem, gone. The Wednesday store run you forgot to plan for, totally handled because it's all on one list. Now here's the part most folks don't know, and this honestly is my favorite. You are not stuck with what it gives you. You talk to it again, just like you talk to a person or a friend. Say Thursday's dinner doesn't sound good to anybody. You don't start over, you just reply. Swap Thursday for something with chicken instead. And it changes just that one night, and it updates the grocery list to match. That's the magic. It remembers the rest of the week, so you only fix the one thing. Here's another one I lean on all the time. Maybe you've already got stuff in the fridge you want to use before it goes bad. So you type, I already have ground beef, 2 bell peppers, and a bag of rice. Build a couple of these dinners around those so those don't go to waste. And it reworks the plan to cook down what you already own first. That's money saved and food not thrown out from one extra sentence. One small but important tip before we wrap up. The AI doesn't know your kitchen or your family unless you tell it. So the more you say up front, the better the results get. How many nights you actually cook? Maybe it's 4, not 7, because Friday's leftovers, or a picky eater, a night you need something in 15 minutes flat. Toss those into the first message and the plan comes back already fitting your real life. So let's go over it one more time because it really is this simple. Step 1. Open your AI chatbot and type one plain message. Tell it how many dinners, how many people, what to skip, and to give you one grocery list grouped by area of the store. Step 2. Tweak it with a follow-up line, such as swap Thursday for chicken or use up what I've already got. It fixes just that piece and keeps the rest. That's how you turn the 4 o'clock fridge stare into a 2-minute job with the shopping list already done. Here's my little challenge for you. Before your next grocery trip, try this once. Just type one prompt and see what it gives you. I think you'll be a little surprised how much lighter the week feels. Here's my little challenge for you. Before your next grocery trip, try this once. Just type the one prompt and see what it gives you. I think you'll be a little surprised how much lighter the week actually feels. And grab that free one prompt meal plan printable if you haven't yet. The link below will email it right to you with the exact words filled in and ready, plus the follow-up lines. It's a handy little thing to keep on the fridge, 100% free. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Come tell me what your AI cooked up for the week. I'd genuinely love to hear it. See you next time.